Hello, Team Green. Let's get ready for calendar. Today is Thursday, August 27th. What do we have today? Oh, sea stars. I love sea stars. There are all different kinds of sea stars here. I see some kind of pink colored ones. I see some blue colored ones and some orange colored ones. We could talk about those. Let's do it. Okay, I'm going to say that this one, this one, this one, and this one are all pink. I'm going to say these two are orange. And then this one and this one are blue. And maybe we can say those are purple. So we're going to have a lot of numbers today. I'm going to have to write a little bit smaller. So hopefully you can see my board over there. So we'll start with the pink. We have 1, 2, 3 pink. And 1, 2 blue. And 1, 2 orange. And 1, 2 kind of purpley color. That is a lot of numbers in our equation. We call those add-ins. We have a lot of add-ins today. Remember, I'm going to have to write a little bit smaller today, so hopefully you can see. We're going to start with 3 pink. And, do you remember what and means? Hopefully you said plus. We have 2 blue. And, what does and mean? Plus. We had 2 orange. And, what does and mean? Plus. I'm running out of room. We have 2 purple. So let's see, did we get them all? We have pink, 3 pink, 2 blue, 2 orange, and 2 purple. Pink, blue, orange, purple. Equals is asking us how many we have in all together. And seeing as I have a picture, I'm just going to count it. Will you help count with me, please? Here we go. And I'm going to count them all together. So I'm going to go in all different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count that again. Because sometimes when we get to bigger numbers, I always count 2 times just to double check. Because sometimes adults even make mistakes when they're counting, especially if they're distracted. It's so crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 sea stars in all. Well, I remember from our first whole class meeting that there were a lot of girls that really liked pink and purple. Let's count those only. We're just going to count pinks and purples right now. So, pink, remember we had 3. 1, 2, 3 pinks. And purple, remember we had 2. 1, 2. Let's do an equation just for the pinks and purples. So we have 3 pink sea stars. And, what did that word mean again? Oh, plus. And we had 2 purple sea stars. How many pinks and purples do we have in all? Well, you might know the answer to that. We could also use our fingers, or we have our sea stars here. Let's try something different. Let's use our fingers today. So we have 3 pink and 2 purple. We're going to count them all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 pink and purple sea stars in all. Now, we did some of the colors that the girls liked. Let's do some of the colors that some of the boys liked the other day. So, how about we do the rest? How about we do the blue ones this time and the orange ones? Blue and orange. Let's see. We have 2 blue, and 2 orange. 2 and 2. 2 blue, and what's that word mean? Oh, plus 2 orange equals, this is called a doubles fact. Do you know what a doubles fact is? I'm going to tell you. When the add-ins are the same number, 2 and 2, or we could do 3 and 3, or 4 and 4, or 5 and 5, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 1, 1 we didn't talk about. So when the add-ins are the same like this, 2 and 2, we call it a doubles fact. And we're going to start learning our doubles facts so that today we have to count it up, but eventually if you can memorize all your doubles facts, you're going to be able to do your math so fast. So today we can count it up, but soon we're going to start memorizing it. That means you don't even need to count it. You've got it up here in the old brain box. It's ready to go. Today we'll count. Let's use our fingers. That's one good strategy to use because guess what? You always have your fingers. Unless you lost some of them, that would be weird. Then you wouldn't be able to count as much. But I have all my fingers ready to go. So here we go. 2 blue, 2 orange. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Can you say that with me? 2 plus 2 equals 4. We're going to try and memorize that because it will help us with our math. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Nice job, friends. Let's add a stick for our days of school. Ooh, we are getting so close to 10 days. I can't wait to show you what's going to happen. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tomorrow's the day. It's such a big day. I can't wait for calendar tomorrow because something big is going to happen. Okay, so we have 9 babies, 9 ones. Repeat after me. Repeat after you. 0 hundreds, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 tens, and 9 ones, and 9 ones. Makes the number. What number does this make? Wait a second. I remember something about how if there's zeros in the front, they're really like they're just not even there. They don't mean anything. If the zeros are behind a number, they mean something. But today, these zeros, they're in the front. They have no digits in front of them blocking them. So really, they don't mean anything. So really, this is just the number 9. Just the number 9. We've been in school for 9 days, and tomorrow is a huge day for counting our days of school. I can't wait to talk to you about it. So the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to count by tens. Remember, we just count the tens place, and the ones place stays the same. So this would be 10, 20, do it with me, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and it still has a 0. But today is the 27th. That means there's a 7 in the ones place. So we're going to count by tens with a 7 in the ones place. We're going to start randomly. We're going to start with today's date. Today is the 27th. So that's 27. Do that with me. 27. So here we go. 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, that one's easy, 77, 87, 97, 100, and 7. I'm so glad that you joined me today, and I can't wait for tomorrow. I'm so excited to tell you what's going to happen with all of these sticks. It's a magical day. I'll see you tomorrow.